The 2025 Yamaha VMAX V4 marks the triumphant return of one of the most iconic power cruisers in motorcycle history. First introduced in the 1980s, the original VMAX earned a legendary reputation for its raw power, drag strip performance, and rebellious styling. Now, Yamaha has resurrected this mythic machine for a new generation of riders, retaining its fearsome DNA while infusing it with modern engineering, sharper aesthetics, and smarter technology. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of dominance, a two-wheeled beast that blurs the line between cruiser and superbike. At the heart of the 2025 VMAX is a re-engineered 1679cc V4 engine, a nod to the original's brutal power plant. While keeping the signature V4 configuration, Yamaha has refined the internals with lighter forged pistons, titanium valves, and a redesigned intake system to deliver smoother power across the rev range. The result is a jaw-dropping 200 horsepower and over 125 pound-feet of torque, making the VMAX one of the most powerful production bikes in its class. What's even more impressive is how this power is delivered. Thanks to Yamaha's advanced ride-by-wire system and new traction control suite, the bike offers controlled aggression, a wild ride when you want it, and composed cruising when you need it. The engine is paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, ensuring seamless shifts and enhanced rear-wheel stability during aggressive downshifting. Yamaha has also introduced a performance-oriented launch control system, a feature borrowed from its sport bike division, allowing riders to tap into the full acceleration potential of the VMAX with precision and confidence. The intoxicating sound of the V4 engine roaring through its redesigned dual exhaust system is a symphony of mechanical aggression, a deep growl that resonates with every twist of the throttle. From a design perspective, the 2025 VMAX strikes a perfect balance between retro muscle and futuristic menace. It retains the muscular silhouette and wide stance that fans have come to love, but everything has been sharpened and refined. The fuel tank now sits higher, more sculpted, flowing into a sleeker tail section that houses LED lighting with sequential turn indicators. The front end features a new LED headlight cluster with integrated DRLs, giving the VMAX a distinctive presence even at a standstill. Aluminum body panels and exposed frame elements emphasize its mechanical beauty, while the deep metallic paint schemes, including matte black, thunder gray, and crimson storm, give it an aura of dark sophistication. Handling has been a key focus in this iteration, and Yamaha has addressed the weight and balance issues that plagued earlier models. While still a heavyweight, the 2025 VMAX now features a revised aluminum frame that's lighter and stiffer, paired with a newly designed swing arm for improved torsional rigidity. Fully adjustable KYB suspension components at both ends, with beefy 52mm front forks and a rear monoshock, allow riders to tailor the ride to their style, whether it's laid-back cruising or spirited canyon carving. The bike now sits lower to the ground, with improved ergonomics thanks to a more neutral riding triangle and reshaped seat, allowing better control and comfort for both short bursts and long hauls. Braking performance has seen a massive upgrade as well. Yamaha has equipped the VMAX with dual 320mm front discs clamped by radial mount Brembo calipers and a 298mm rear disc, all governed by a cornering ABS system that adapts to lean angles and riding conditions. This setup delivers exceptional stopping power, giving the rider confidence to rein in the beast at any speed. The massive 200-section rear tire not only adds to its visual heft but also provides exceptional grip during hard acceleration and aggressive cornering maneuvers. Electronics play a crucial role in the 2025 VMAX's transformation into a modern-day muscle bike. The bike features a full-color 5-inch TFT display that's customizable and easy to read even under direct sunlight. It offers multiple riding modes: sport, street, and rain, each recalibrating throttle response, power delivery, and traction control sensitivity. A new inertial measurement unit (IMU) works in tandem with the bike's traction, slide, and wheelie control systems to ensure that performance doesn't come at the expense of safety. Riders can also pair their smartphones to the display via Yamaha's Y-Connect app, gaining access to navigation, call alerts, bike diagnostics, and ride analytics, features rarely seen in the power cruiser segment. Yamaha hasn't ignored the practical side either. The 2025 VMAX comes with keyless ignition, cruise control, and heated grips as standard, making it surprisingly well equipped for touring duties. A modest under-seat storage compartment can house small essentials, and optional accessories like a windscreen, saddlebags, and a touring seat are available for those looking to stretch the VMAX's legs on longer journeys. Fuel economy remains respectable given the performance on tap, thanks to a retuned fuel injection system and aerodynamic tweaks that reduce drag at higher speeds. What truly sets the VMAX apart, though, is the way it makes you feel. It's not just about numbers or specs, it's about the visceral experience of commanding a machine that exudes confidence and raw mechanical emotion. From the moment you fire it up, to the moment you launch off the line or cruise down an empty road with the horizon stretched ahead of you, the VMAX delivers a riding experience that's equal parts thrilling and addictive. It refuses to be categorized neatly. It's not a cruiser, not a superbike, not a tourer. It's something else entirely. Something primal. The 2025 Yamaha VMAX V4 is not for the timid or the trendy. It's for riders who want presence, who crave the drama of torque at their fingertips, and who respect the heritage of a bike that helped define what a power cruiser could be. In a world increasingly dominated by electric scooters and compact commuters, the VMAX stands tall as a last stand for raw, unfiltered motorcycling. It's Yamaha's way of saying that muscle is still alive, and it's louder, faster, and smarter than ever. This machine represents the culmination of decades of evolution, fan loyalty, and engineering ambition. It's rare to find a bike that can both honor its past and embrace the future, but Yamaha has managed just that with the 2025 VMAX. For those who remember the thrill of the original or for riders discovering the legend for the first time, the VMAX V4 offers an unforgettable experience on two wheels. It's more than a motorcycle, it's a legacy reborn.